U is for utility loader. Utility loader, helping workers move things over. V is for vibrator compactor. V compactor, packing soil faster and faster. W is for wheel excavator. W excavator, scooping dirt like a giant digger. X is for extreme loader. X loader, lifting heavy rocks and boulders. Y is for yard bulldozer. Y bulldozer, pushing dirt across the yard over. Z is for zigzag cement truck. Z cement truck, driving zigzag with concrete luck.